When you need closet storage systems for your new or existing home, you need America in Home. Joining us this morning is Christine Martin. Good morning, Christine.
Good morning, Joy.
Christine, America in Home offers many products for the home. Can you give us an overview?
Sure. Besides our custom closet division, we also have a Hunter Douglas window treatments division. We have a technology division. We're a home automation control 4 dealer. We do audio surround sound systems. We do security systems, as well as we have an aquatics division and a central vac to round it all out.
Lots of things.
Lots of things.
Now, Christine, why do you think that America in Home is the leading storage solutions provider in southeastern Wisconsin?
Well, for a couple of different reasons. We've been in business for 27 years here, and collectively between the front house with design staff, back of the house installers, and production service workers, we have over 65 years in the industry. I've been here for 20. When it comes to the product itself, one of our standard features here is contoured profiles on our partitions. So for the consumer, it's very user-friendly. No scrapes, no cuts, no injuries to small children if they're hiding in the closet, as well as no snags on your clothes. It's a seamless construction. All exposed surfaces will be finished and edged, so whether you see it or not, it's still finished. And then the beautiful details like these raised panel drawers that we have here, fully functional for all the things you would otherwise store out in your bedroom. Beautiful jewelry drawers, raised panel fronts, full extension ball bearing slides. And then it's the attention to details that we give our consumer to make sure that their unique needs are put into the design that we come up with for them. So at the end of the day, better storage, less time wasted looking for things you didn't know you had, because now you can find everything.
Great. Whether in a new home or an existing home, how can you help someone gain better storage to simplify their life?
Well, besides the wardrobe closets, it's really throughout their entire house. Their pantries, a craft room, a home office, or even a commercial office, garage systems, basements, laundry rooms. Really, there's no part of the house that we can't help them with.
That's fantastic. Now, how can our viewers get more information on all the products that America in Home offers?
Well, they can either come and visit us at our showroom in Brookfield, or they can call us at 262-781-3232, or visit our websites. We're open 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, or we can meet anybody by appointment after hours.
Great. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.